16th. It's Crypto Gems. Today's going to be Crypto 101 for everybody out there. We're going to talk about a few things. How's it going on your end? How's the market?
Well, I'm just excited today. Another big day in the market. Everything seems to be going up right now. When Bitcoin going up, but they say everybody else just follows. So,
I
I'm
know
sure a
you,
lot of excited right now.
I was gonna say, I know you've seen Shiba went up a little bit. Went up,
Just a tad, just a
yeah,
tad.
right? I noticed that. I don't know what triggered it, but it went up like 15%, I think. I was like, oh, we might got a little run. But then it started to slope down. So, but it's doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. You know what I mean?
I take them little pumps. I know
Yeah,
something big is come pretty
yeah,
soon. So I
yeah,
take the little pumps.
yeah. I like that polo you got on. What's that?
Oh, this the Plush Academy, John. I got from
Nice, nice, nice. Definitely got to drop a link to the website so people can go check it out. Um, all right, man. Let's get it started. Today we're gonna talk about I guess to start off, we're gonna talk about some terms that are being thrown around in the crypto industry that a lot of people may not know. And to start off, let's go with whales. You wanna tip off and tell them what a whale is?
It's exactly what it sound like. The biggest joint in the ocean. He move everybody around wherever they go. Everybody just got to get out their way or follow suit. I mean, those are the guys that usually can move the market. Usually got a lot of money invested. Bigger than the small time investor or the average investor. That's where you want to swim alongside those.
Very true. Very true. Millions, millions. I'm talking about they don't own like 1,000 assets. They own millions and billions of assets. So you'll see those around, but don't be scared. Um, Another one. Let's see. Bearish.
Bearish. That is when the market ain't doing so good. It's on a little bit of a decline, if you will. Just ain't right. You know, something bad in your stomach. It's just a bad feeling. It ain't good. It ain't term it looks overall. But
I, I I like
a
that.
lot of people tell you when it's bearish, it's time to buy. So keep an eye
Absolutely.
out.
Absolutely. The golden rule is to never buy when it's bullish, which will be the next term, basically when it's going up. But yeah, you never want to buy when it's going up because it may take a turn and then you lose the money that you thought that you was going to gain. So you typically
And
we buy when it's bearish.
you get it all the way up there when it's a little bullish. Sometimes when that market go down, you might be waiting around a little bit just trying to recover it. So be careful when you decide to pounce on these or make these moves, whatever move you decide you about to make.
Exactly. Exactly. So yeah, go ahead and explain bullish.
The bullish is basically it. Think about the bull in a China shop. It's just going crazy, running around, breaking junk, going crazy. This madness. Everybody's having fun. Top of the mountain. That's the bull, just having the time of his life. No matador, just doing what he wants. That's bullish. Mm.
That's right. That's right. Um, and right now we're in a bullish situation now. Things have been going up. There's something called a golden cross that's supposedly going on right now, and we're hitting highs for a lot of coins. So look out. All right. Next would be trading bot.
The trading bot. You see, well, I'm starting to mess with the trading bots right now because I told you I'll be using KuCoin a little bit, and
Mhm.
they got a lot of trading bots on there. So I'm guessing these are similar bots that I guess the larger investors or larger investment companies or whatever be using or whatever to execute their trades or buy and sell at certain marks or whatever. To me, those are the things that usually prevent the market from going up because, of course, it's just automatic buying and selling of things, but to me, there's always a good use for the trading bots. It can be very useful. You know what I mean? But basically, they just make automatic buys and sells of whatever crypto you holding at the time. without you having to keep checking every up to the minute and stay in front of the computer all day long. So
And
that's
we're drop a we're going to drop a link for KuCoin for anybody out there that wants to sign up. Do you know of any other platforms that offer trading bots? The only one that I know of really is KuCoin.
yeah. The only one I ever came across with any trading bot was the KuCoin.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how the Binance. A lot of people use Binance. I never use it myself, so I can't speak for what's on there. But as far as the ones that any of the platforms I came about, the KuCoin was the only one that had the trading bot.
Very much. I figured as much. All right. Well, next we're gonna move on to staking.
Staking. I look at that staking. I treat staking like I look at it as a saving account. Yeah, I keep it there. Yeah, I treat it just like a saving account. Keep it there to keep any of my cryptos. If I plan on holding any particular crypto for any period of time, to me it's better to try to stake it and try to get more money upon whatever it is you're already holding. So staking is just basically saving account.
Yep. Yep. Nah, you put me on a staking because before that I was just holding on to my coins, and you were like, man, you could be making interest off of it. And I was like, really? He's like, yeah, look into this app. This app, they offer 4.5, they offer 5. And we'll do a video on that in future on a
Because
different
what
platforms.
you're getting for staking is better than just holding your coin. Just keep
Absolutely.
on. Make sure that them coins always working. Make sure that money always working for you. Because if not, then it's you. I don't want to say you're doing something wrong, but don't just have your money just sitting around for all of that. Might as well just leave it in the bank if you're gonna do nothing with
it. Absolutely, absolutely. All right, next is wallet.
wallets. Wallets, I like to tell people wallets are exactly what they sound like. Think of your own wallet. Unlike exchanges you might have heard about, like say Coinbase or KuCoin, like we just mentioned, Binance, anything like that. Like your wallet, usually when you lose this, you have no way of getting back in it. It's more secure because nobody has access to it. Nobody knows exactly what's in your wallet. But if you lose your wallet, just like your own wallet, it's really on you. You might get a good Samaritan that maybe return it, but what are the odds of that? Hmm?
He's absolutely right about that. This day and
Just
age,
like you get all your credentials back, and that's pretty.
crypto is worth a lot of money. So I don't think they'll be returning that anytime sooner.
Yeah.
Oh
But
man.
to elaborate on that, wallets also enable you to get access to the central apps or the centralized exchanges. So that's the main. To me, that's the main use for any particular app to store your coins more safely and to have access to decentralized exchanges.
Yeah, and then and like we said before, there's just like there's different crypto apps, there's a ton of different wallets. You got what is it? Trust wallet. You have what are some other wallets?
Atomic wallet, you got the MetaMask wallet, you got the Coinbase wallet, and I'm sure there's a bunch of few others that I haven't came across or don't aren't too familiar with, but there's quite a few wallets out there. Few the coins themselves came up with their own wallet. So
Yeah. And then let's
another thing you want to see a lot of in the near future, a lot of different wallets. So you want to have to decide which one you really want to use, because from my experience, even the wallets different depending on which one you use and at the time you use it. They offer different fees or different pays that you could different costs that come with the different wallets. So far, to me, the Coinbase has been the one with the lowest fees and the most seamless working one so far. So
yeah,
if you give a wallet a try, I would recommend the Coinbase right now.
Coinbase. Yeah, definitely. All right. And then the last term we're gonna touch on today is total supply.
Total supply is that's basically basically the max number of any available coin or whatever it is that's out there. They letting you know this is the most amount that would ever be out there, and that's pretty much it. They're letting you know exactly how much is basically circling out there that's available for purchase. So it's pretty
And,
much it.
and you said that's something that's really important before because when you want to invest into a coin, if it's too many out there, um,
It would be harder for the price to, yeah, theoretically it'd be harder for the price to go up if there's so many out there and not enough buyers to buy it, unless you plan on buying them all yourself. You
gotcha.
you would always need more participants to come and basically eat up some of those shares that are out there. Otherwise, you'll be out there trying to gather them all up yourself, and nobody really wants to do that. You kind of want to teamwork, make the dream work, like they say. So I don't want it to be. Nah, I mean, you don't want to do all the heavy lifting. You want to be able to,
Absolutely, absolutely. All right, so
usually the smaller the total supply, the easier it is to achieve that kind of that kind of great gains or immediate rise. So from what I've seen so far, so you
got
guys pay attention to that.
definitely. So now we're going to kick off some of the different apps out there you guys can download on iOS, Android, or you can sign up on a website on your desktop. And we're going to have links, referral codes. Each of the apps may offer $10. Some offer $25 when you sign up. We're going to list all the apps and referral links so you guys can use them in the event that you want to. So to start off, let's start off with Coinbase. It's offered on iOS and Android. Like he just mentioned, great app to use. Anything you want to kick off about Coinbase?
Coinbase, I would say Coinbase is a great platform for any beginning trader. It's not too overwhelming. It's kind of pretty much straightforward. You get on there. It's not, yeah, you get on there and you won't be overwhelmed as I would say going on KuCoin. You get on KuCoin, it seems like a completely different language unless you get at least a little familiarized with some of the verbiage or some of the you know how to use it a little bit. But once you get familiar with the Coinbase. Coinbase to me is the easiest one to break into. If you're just beginning, I would start off with the Coinbase, and you would pick up on it just like you play anybody who plays with a phone. You pick up on all the little do's and nots and all the little tricks of the trade just from being on there and messing around with it a little bit. You'll quickly develop and see how to use it. And you could take that knowledge and take it to any of the other platform. I would say intermediate platform. I say that's like KuCoin or whatever, because they offer slightly more options and different little things that you could do that you won't be able to get on Coinbase. But just to get in the game, get used to purchasing crypto and trading and stuff like that, I would say Coinbase is ideal for that kind of stuff.
Gotcha. Number two, we're gonna kick off KuCoin since we're on the topic.
Well, KuCoin, that has to be my favorite of the platforms. I feel like I get to, not only do I get uh extra options that I don't have on my Coinbase account, but they often uh they often release or launch a lot of coins or cryptos that aren't available in a lot of other places. And to me, that's always a big advantage to be able to get access to anything. It's like anything in real life, to get early access to it gives you a critical advantage in anything. So because of that, I give KuCoin the advantage in that, because they let you know when a lot of these coins are going to be released, or different options and so on. So you kind of be prepared and aware of what's going on, so you can kind of prep for it in advance of it going down. So you kind of a little more aware, give yourself a better opportunity to win, if you will.
All right, let's see what else. We got Gemini.
Gemini, I'll let you. I have no interaction with the Gemini platform, so I'm not gonna speak on that one. Yourself, do you have anything on there? What's your interaction with the Gemini platform so far?
I mean, it like you mentioned before, it's very similar to Coinbase platform. They don't offer lending. They don't offer um, trading bots, all things that are offered on KuCoin. But it's, you can go in there. They have a variety of coins, not as much as Coinbase. Um, they do offer staking. Interest rates are okay, not much better than Coinbase. And I think they also offer the ability to pay through the app. Um, but somebody recommended to me because at the time I was trying to buy AMP, and this was before it was listed on Coinbase and a bunch of other apps. But I downloaded it for a short period of time, and I still have it on my phone. I just don't use it as much.
So, as far as those apps concerned, what would you say is your go-to? Is the KuCoin your go-to, or?
Yeah, I still say KuCoin is my number one, just for the fact of being able, like you said, trading bots. I'm able to go in there and lend my crypto out. I'm able to go in there and stake almost any coin that I have at a good interest rate. And they also offer a whole bunch of other things like sweepstakes, and I think they even have like a game section where you can play games for crypto or something like that. But they just keep
Yeah, I
adding
play.
more.
That game goes by pretty fast. You can by pretty fast. It feel like you punching that button, but there's nothing you can do. You put it up, and in less than a minute, it's usually over. You win or lose it right there. So I like it's like roulette. It's
Yeah,
like,
oh man, it sounds like you're at the casino a little bit. Like, man, I just put my money in this slot machine and I'm already done already. Oh man, but that yeah. So my number two would have to be crypto.com. And to touch on crypto.com,
crypto.com. Like what are the? Go ahead, continue. Are the fees? I've been hearing a lot about fees and different stuff like this. What's that about?
the fees on crypto.com are they're they're not as good as Coinbase in my opinion. I think I pay a little bit more. The only thing I liked about crypto.com at that time was no, they were offering sheep. And at the time nobody was offering sheep. Coinbase wasn't offering it. I think KuCoin and crypto.com was. So when I got crypto.com, um, I was able to buy sheep. And then I think the process to sign up wasn't too bad. I was really trying to get sheep at the time. So I was like, man, I gotta sign up, verify my account. And a couple of days later, they verified. I bought me some sheep, and I've had it ever since. And then I just started continue to use it because like I mean they offer uh, a variety of coins on there. They offer staking, and it's supposed to be like a pretty good platform to use. So I just been sticking to it. I know there's some other ones out there. I'm gonna give it a try like Webull and eToro, but we could talk about those during another show. Blockchain.com.
Hey, see, you just remind me about my Webull. I forget, just like you, because I sign up for other stuff in the past, and I forget about it. You start messing with any particular say like KuCoin or whatever,
Mhm.
and you start forgetting about the other one, which for me works out because I forget about the investments that I made on the other side.
Oh,
So I
damn.
go back and I check and I forget I had money on there because I got so focused with something else that I was doing. You
Oh,
know, it's
do you have
talking about.
Webull?
I do have Webull because I use Webull to get my Dogecoin initially. That's why I
Oh,
initially used the Webull for. But recently I see they well, they seem like they plan on adding shit, but I see before you never seen Shiba on there, but now you could see it on it. You can't buy it yet or trade it yet, but you see it's up there. Normally they don't add it to their system unless they plan on, you know, integrating it into some kind of extent. So I expect them to add it at some point, and that should be good because a lot of people do use Webull. A lot of people that are here, right? If I go search different places or come across different different videos, anything, information, a lot of people do use Webull. So I think that'll be big, and that's a good platform. Only thing with the Webull is just because it's mostly stock, is not geared solely towards crypto. So a lot of people don't go there because of it.
I got you. So it's almost like Robinhood.
It's more Robinhood, but I don't want to tie. I don't like to tie their name to it only because I ain't never seen no shady behavior out of them. So I ain't gonna say, but on that kind of, you know, on that kind of platform level, yes.
I see what you're saying.
It's mostly for stocks, but they give you access to some of the cryptos that are out there.
Yeah, that's good to know. That's good to know. But we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna see y'all tomorrow. Once again, we're gonna drop the referral links down in the description. Hit us up if y'all have any questions at everydaycryptogems@gmail.com. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.